In this video, you will learn how to read someone's mind with any card. How cool is that? Boom! I'm gonna go through the cards. Remember your card. Don't forget your card. Keep it locked in your head. Remember it. Actually, I have a prediction. I have a prediction right here. I knew that you would pick the Queen of Hearts. Have two the same card, except they're different colors. See, one's red and one is blue. Whatever color your deck is, you use that card with the deck, and then the other color, well, that's going to be your prediction card. We have the Queen in blue, so we're just going to keep the Queen right over here. Right by my lamp. And then we have the Queen on the bottom of the deck. And so what you want to do is do a fake shuffle. What a fake shuffle is you're shuffling the cards, but you're keeping the selected card where you want it to be the whole time without them even knowing. And then you're going to force the card. Forcing a card is forcing them to pick a card that you want them to pick. And making them think that they are choosing the card, but really, they're not. You are. So you have your card on the bottom, and you want to take off just like a few cards off the top at a time. Just take off some cards from the top, and then they say stop. You show them the bottom card. So this card is the bottom card. And so when you do this really fast, it looks like you're really shuffling the cards, but really you're not. You're just showing them the bottom card, and just taking off cards from the top. But it looks like you're shuffling them, and you're like, letting them pick the card, but really you're picking it for them. Super cool. And then you reveal the duplicate card, the Queen of Hearts, or whatever card you chose. How cool is that? Boom! Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe, leave a like, and I love you so much. You're awesome. See you in the next video.